My students, grade 3, how are you? Today we'll explain lesson number 7, topic 3, repeated reasoning. We can reason to look for and describe general strategies for find products. Solve and share. You can learn that you can use known factors to find unknown factors. For each of 4 multiplication factors, list 2 multiplication factors from the book that can be needed to find the given product. The first solution is completed for you. What do you think about the factors you use to find the product when 6 or 7 factor? We know 6 times 7 equal 42. Okay, like this. You can use distributive to find the result. 6 times 7, you can write 6 equal 5 plus 1 and then using distributive properties. Look at with me about the steps. Here I will explain. First question. 6 product by 7. We can write 6 here equal 5 plus 1. Product by 7 using distributive properties. 5 times 7 8 to 1 times 7. 5 times 7 equals 35. And we have 1. 7 plus 5 12. 2 and the carry of 1. 3 plus 1 4. The result will be 42. And we can use another method. 6 times 9 equal what? We can write 6 equal 4 plus 2 or 5 plus 1. Like the first question. Give us this information to use answer. Okay, right here 6 times 9. We can eat together here. Who can tell me the answer here? We can choose what? 9, 2 times 9, and we have 4 times 9. No, we have 5 times 9 and 1 times 9. So we can write 6 equal 1 plus 5 product by 9. And then using 1 product by 9, 8 to 5 product by 9 using distributive properties. And 1 times 9 equal 9. 5 times 9 equal 45. Then we can add together 9 plus 45. 5 plus 9 equal 14. 4 and the carry of 1. 1 plus 4 equal 5. And the result will be 6 times 9 equal 54. Result will be 54. And also we have 7 product by 8. We can choose what here? We have 2 times 8 and 5 times 8. Then 7 equivalent 5 plus 2 product by 8. Using here 5 times 2. 5 times 8 and 2 times 8. 5 times 8 equal 40 and 2 times 8 equals 16. 6 plus 0 6 and 1 plus 4 equal 5. The result will be 56. Okay. Also 7 times 9. We can write 7 here equals 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 times 9. 5 times 9 and then 2 times 9. 5 times 9 equal 45 and 2 times 9 equal 18. 8 plus 5 equal 13. 3 and the carry of 1. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 4 6. The result will be 63. Okay. Add the steps. 5 times 6 plus 1 times 6 equals 36, and also 5 times 7 plus 2 times 7 equals 49. Next question by using the method. I solve this question with you, okay? The method I solve also, I explain the solution to find the result. I explained last time. Okay? You can use distributive properties to find the result. Next page here, using distributive properties about the solution. Now is this question to solve it. Next question here. Look at with me. You can write 3 times 6 equal 2 times 6 plus 1 times 6 using distributive properties. Okay, look at the tips with me. 3 times 6 equal, we can write 3 equal 2 plus 1 or product by 6, and then write 2 times 6, 8 to 1 times 6. 2 times 6 equal 12 and 1 times 6 equals 12. Equals 6. 6 plus 12 equal 18. And the result will be 18. And the next question, 4 times 9 equal, we can write 4 here equal 2 plus 2 times 9. Then 2 times 9, 2 times 9. 2 times 9 equal 18, and 2 times 9, 18. 18 plus 18, we can write 8 plus 8 equals 16, 6. Carry a 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. The result will be 36. The answer here is 36. And also 6 times 8, we can write 6 equal 5 plus 1. Reduct by 8 using distributive properties. Write 5 times 8 plus 1 times 8. 5 times 8 equal 40. And 1 times 8 equal 8. Then the result will be 48. The total number here will be 48. And 3 times 5, we can write 3 equal 2 plus 1. Then we can write 2 plus 1, reduct by 5. And then using distributive properties, 2 times 5, 8 to 1 times 5. 2 times 5 equal 10, and 1 times 5 equal 5. 10 plus 5 equal 15. And the total answer here will be 50. Okay, use the here distributive properties. Next question. We can find with the methods here 7 times 5. Look at here, 7 times 5 equal, we know 7 equal 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 times 5. Using distributive properties, 5 times 5. 2 times 5. 5 times 5, 25, and 2 times 5 equal 10. Then the result will be 35. And also 7 times 6, we can write 7 equal 5 plus 2, reduct by 6, times 5 by 6, and 2 times 6. 5 times 6 is 30, and 2 times 6 equal 12. Then 2 plus 0 equal 2, 1 plus 3 equal 4. The result will be 42. Next question. 3 times 8 equal 2 times 8 plus 1 times 8. We use distributive properties. Use here 2 and 1 bit 3. I can break 3's factors into 3's and 1's factor. Okay, you can use the number here 3 equal 2 plus 1, and also 3. And with this example, we can find the result like 3 times 9. Redact it. You know 3 equal 2 plus 1. Or redact by 9. Using distributive properties. Right, 2 times 9. We 1 times 9. 2 times 9 equal 18. 1 times 9 equal 9. 8 plus 9, 17. 7 and carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. The result will be 27. Next question. Which factors did Mary use repeated to find product? Example here, look at with me, 8 equal 5, 3. She used distributive properties. Used 5 and 3 repeatedly. I can break 8 factors into 5 and 3 facts. Complete using equation. Using the method, we can write 8 equal 5 plus 3. Add steps here. 8 times 3 equal 8 equal 5 plus 3. Reduct by 3. Then using distributive properties. Okay, right. 5 times 3. 8 to 3 times 3. 5 times 3 equal 15. 3 times 3 equal 9. 15 plus 9 equal 24, because 9 plus 5 equal 14. 4 and carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. And the result will be 24. Okay, the product is correct because 3 times 8 equal 24. Question. 3, we can using this method by write 8 equal, it's a more factors, never mind, true, but he divided 8 equal 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 and using distributive properties like this. Let's tips. 8 times 3, we can write 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 times 3, and then write 2 times 3 and 2 times 3, 2 times 3, and 2 times 3. 2 times 3 6, 2 times 3 6, 2 times 3 6, 2 times 3 6. 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 12 equal 24. Then the total answer will be 24. We can break 8 factors in 2 factors. Have frequently activity. This example, you can stop the video and solve yourself all this question. You can find the difference without one. Okay, it's very easy. This is 46 plus 27. Then we can put 1 like this. 46 subtract by 27 right here. 46 subtract by 27. 6 minus 7, we can do it for 1. 16 minus 7 equal 9. 3 minus 2 1. Then the result will be 19. Okay, you can write the answer and solve yourself. Sure, the student reviewed all questions review the properties. We have here commutative property or the property of multiplication. We have the order. We have here distributive property. 3 times 8 plus 1 times 8 equal 4 times 8. We're using these distributive properties. And 6 times 2 times 2 equals 6 times 2 times 2 associative properties. Grouping property multiplication. 7 times 1 equals 7. Identity 1 on property of multiplication. Right, true or false. We have number 5. 3 and 8 are multiplied 24. We have here 5.3 and 8 are multiplication totals of 24. It's inverse. We have right here 3 and 8 are factors of 24, not multiples. Understood? We must change this word and write factor. Question number 6. You can multiply factors in any order. True. Like 6 times 3, we can write 3 times 6. We can using here commutative properties. Question 7. The product of 0 and a number is that number? No, false, because the product of 0 and a number is 0. Question number 8. There are 3 factors in the equation. 5 times 3 times 2. We have 3 factors. There are 5, 3, and 2. Next question. This vocabulary writing explain to use 8 times 5 equal 40. To find 6, use at least 2 terms from the word list in your explanation. 8 times 5 equal 40. Find 8 times 6. You can use this properties like this. We have 8 times 6 equal. We can use this properties. He tell us we can use 8 times 5 equal 40. He give you this information. You can find 8 times 6 equal 8 times 5 plus 8 times 1, because we can write 6 equal 1 plus 5, and then using distributive properties. 8 times 5 plus 8 times 1. He give us 8 times 5 40. 40 plus 8 equal 48. Then the answer here would be 48. Next question. Let's tips here and divide it. This raise we have 1 2 3 1. 3 root times 8 to 1 times 8. The result will be 4 times 8. We can use it distributive properties. 4 times 4 equal 2 times 4 plus 2 times 4. We can divide it here. 4 equal 2 plus 2. 6 times 5 equal 4 times 5 plus 2 times 5. Okay, good, because 5 was constant. 6 equal 4 plus 2. Find 3 times 4. You can use 2 factor multiplied by 3. 3 times 4. You can divide it 2, 1, 2, and 1 only. Okay, then we have 2 times row. We have to row. Each row contains of 4 elements. 2 times 4, 1 times 4. The result will be 4 equal 12. We know 3 times 7 equal 21, and 4 times 10 40, 3 times 8 24, 3 times 3 27, and so on. Next question. 6 times 9 equal 5 times 9, 9 plus 1 times 9. And 6 times 9 equal 54. We can add together. And he tell us find the product between 7 times 4. We can add together 20 plus 4, 8, 28. We can add together 8 times 9 from the tables equals 72. We can the multiples, skip counting 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 22. You can use the associative property to group the factors, the product doesn't change. Find 4 times 2 times 2. We know 4 here, and 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 4 equals 16. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2 equals 16. And then 2 times 4 equals 8. 8 times 5, 40. 3 times 3, 9. 7 times 9, 63. 5 times 5 times 2. 2 times 5, 10. 10 times 5 equals 50. Just repeat it in this equation. Use what you use to make relations. We have 3 factors. About 6 equals 3 plus 3. Here is the first one. And also we have 6. 3 plus 3. This is a fact. 3 fact. 6. 6 fact is a double of 3 fact. You know, 6 fact is a double of 3 fact. Let's solve the equation. 10 times 6. We can use double fact about 6. 6 equal 3 plus 3. Then we can use here 6 fact is a double of 3 fact. The result will be 30 plus 30, 60. Now next question here, we have how many row? 1, count with me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 row. 6 row we can divide it. 6 times 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 times 7, we can write 4 times 7 and 2 times 7. Question number 4, John broke large ray into 3 product by 4 ray and 5 times 4 ray. What was the large ray? It was, we can add together 4 plus 4, 8. Okay, or 5 plus 3 equal 8. 8 times 4. So he gave us inverse about the product between two numbers. Okay, look at with me here. 8 times 4. Why? Because he gave us in the information 3 product by 4, 8 to 5 product by 4. We can write 4 had common factor between them and 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 equal 8. Then 4 times 8. In this way we can write 4 times 8. Next fact here, 4 times 8 we can write 2 times 8 and 2 times 8 because 2 plus 2, 4. And also we can write 4 times 5 and 4 times 3. 4 times 5 equal 20. 3 times 4, 12. 12 plus 20 32. Or you can write 4 here constant. You can write the constant digit here. Like here, steps. We have 4 times 8. You can write here 4 equal 4 here and 8 equal 5 product by 3. And then using distributive properties, write 4 times 5 and then 4 times 3. Then 4 times 5, 20 and 3 times 4, 12. You can add together, then the result will be 32. Okay. Understood? Next question. Choose yes or no to tell if distributive property is being used. 4 times 2 times 3, we know 4 times 2 plus 4 times 3 using distributive properties. Here 4 plus 5 times 2, 4 times 2 plus 5 times 2. Also 2 times 4 equal 2 times 3 plus 1 because 3 plus 1 equal 4. Same product 5 minus 2 using distributive properties. Yes, this example 2 times 4 equal 2 times 3 plus 1. Asked about distributive properties in this example. No, no distributive properties. It's distributive properties because he distributes the product to the brackets. Question number 6. A bakery uses 3 cubes of flour for each loaf of bread. There are 3 loaves of bread on tray. There are 6 trays on a cart. How many cups of flour used to make the bread on the cart? So you work, we can product 3 by 3 by 6. 3 times 3, 9. 6 times 9 equal 54. The total number here will be 54. Next question. If makes the generation that tens fact can be broken into two 5 factors. Yes, 10 equal 5 plus 5. No, 10 times 6 equal 5 plus 5. We can use distributive properties here about this fact. We have two factors of 5. 10 product by 6 equal 5 plus 5 product by 6, and then we can write 5 times 6 plus 5 times 6. 5 times 6 equals 30, and 5 times 6 30. 30 plus 30 equals 60. The total number will here be 60. Next question 3 times 4 plus 3 times 4. It was 6 times 4. 3 plus 3, 6. Okay. Then the result will be what? 3 times 4 equal 12, and 3 times 4, 12. 12 plus 12 equal 24. The result here will be 24. Okay. Next question. Jesse has 3 bags of baseballs. Each bag has 6 baseballs. How many baseballs does he have? Show your work. The simple answer here, 3 times 6 equal 18. We can product between two numbers, 3 times 6. Question 11. Let me rearrange it for counters into these rays. What fact is double? And double here distributed vertically, okay? Or we can write horizontal, 2 times 9 and 1 times 9. 2 row, each row contains of 9 elements. 2 times 9 equal 18, and 1 times 9 equal 9. The result will be 9 plus 18. Next question. Ruthina organizes his picture into 6 times 4 array. He organizes his picture into 7 times 5 array. How can Kim and John the big parts their arrays, write each pair of factors in the correct space? We know 6 times 4, we can write 6 equal 1 plus 5. In 6 we can distribute it 1 times 4 and 5 times 4, and also we can use double fact about 6 equal 3 plus 3. 3 times 4 and 3 times 4, because 6 equal 3 plus 3, and using distributive properties. 7 times 5, we can write 7 equal 5 plus 2, or 4 plus 3, or 1 plus 5. Then 5 times 5 and 2 times 5, 4 times 5 and 3 times 5, 1 times 5 and 6 times 5. Next question. If Amy adds 1 more rows of 9 counters to her array, can she still use factors you wrote in part A to find the total number? Explain why or why not. Simple answer here, Amy now has 4 times an array. Sum of the products in a part A doesn't equal 4 times 9, okay? Because 4 times 9 equals 36. What we have here, can it's 1 more rows of 9 counters? No, because 9 plus 1 equals 10. It's a different answer. Okay, if we put or add 1 row here, the result will be wrong about this A. That's here. If you want add 1 here, it will be wrong. We can divide the 2 by 9 and 2 by 9 also. Since the result will be 4 by 9, not will be 3 times 9. Okay, understood? In this example, if we add a new row here, then the result will be 4 rows times 9. 4 times 9 equal 2 times 9 plus 2 times 9. So it's not exactly the result. We have here properties. 5 plus 2 equals 7, 1 plus 5, 6. We can give this information in the table right here. 1 times 4 like here, and 5 times 4, because 1 times 5, 1 plus 5, 6. Then 1 plus 5, look at here, 1 plus 5 equals 6. Understood? We can add together. We can add the different digits and the same digits outside. This 1 plus 5, 6, 6 times 4. Next question. Farm stand has cherry on 2 shelves. Each shelf has 4 boxes. Each box has 8 ounces of cherries. How many ounces of cherries are displayed in all the equation? We can product 2 times 4 times 8, 2 times 4, 8, 8 times 8, 64. And we have here, about this example, it is a family attended channel 6 for 6 hours on Monday, and 2 hours. We can write here 6 product by 7, and 2 hours on Tuesday. 2 times 6, 2 times 7, Okay, here the first 7 each hour and curly 6 in each hour. We can write 6 times 7 and 2 times 7. Okay, 6 times 7 equal 42 and 2 times 7 14. We can add together 42 plus 14 equal 56, and the total answer 56. From tasks you have here about row. How many row? Count with me the rows here. Count with me. We have 1 2 3 4 5 row. 5 times 7 and 1 times 7. We can add together 5 times 7 and 1 times 7. He wants to find the total number. We can add together 1 times 7 7 and 5 times 7 35. 35 plus 7 equal 42. The result answer here will be 42. Next question, we can product between numbers here to find the result. Like the last example, the total answer but 4 times 6. 4 times 6 equal 24. We can add 4 times 3 12. 12 plus 12 equal 24 here. Bean sells 4 trays of garden bars the morning and 4 trays garden bars afternoon. How much money does raise and show your work? And write 4 times 3 here. 3 times 4 equal 12 and 3 also times 4 equal 12. Understood? In this example, it's a table about this example here. With me, Ben sells 4 trays of garden bars in the morning. Exercise number 5 topic 3. Exercise 5.3. We go up. Exercise number 5. Where number 5.3 is 4. Ask about these questions. 3.5. Exercise 3.5. Okay, you can find the result from this example. 3 times 4 equal 12 and 3 times 4 12. 12 plus 12 equal 24. It's like this. 3 row. Okay, 3 row. Since row times 4 equal 12, also 3 times 4 equal 12. 12 plus 12 24. Part 1 part B. Simple answer about was the product. 14 also. We look at here 2 rows. Each row contains of 7 elements. In 2 times 7 14 and here 2 times 7 14. 14 plus 14 equal 28. The result answer will be 28. Friends each put 3 trays of strawberries. Artists says they spent more than $20 in total. Do you agree and explain? Simple answer here, yes, because 2 times 6, 6 times 4 equal 24 and 24 greater than 20. The friend spent $24. I know $24 is more than 20, so B is correct. Okay.